What a wonderful day!
Hello.
Fire truck.
Huh?
Thank you.
Dump truck speeds up and passes fire truck.
Uh-oh!
Careful! There's a speed bump ahead. Dump truck is going too fast and crashes into a street lamp. All the fruit falls out.
Oh my God.
What a big mess! And the street lamp falls down too.
Help me! Help me!
Fire truck quickly calls the construction rescue team. Crane truck and trailer arrive fast.
Look at this. Okay, let's go. Open.
Crane truck.
Cool. Come here.
Crane truck lifts dump truck and puts it on the trailer.
Nice. What's next? I got it.
Then it lifts the bent street
Let's
lamp and
go.
sends it for repair.
It's my time. Cool.
Fire truck picks up the fruit and puts it neatly into baskets.
Nice. Okay. What's next?
Dump truck.
Time to fix dump truck.
I like it.
Take off the old tires and put on new ones.
It's amazing. It's so nice.
The front bumper is bent.
Wow.
Fix it.
I like it. What is this? I got it. Are you ready? Very nice. Bravo! What's next?
Paint the scratches and polish it shiny.
Wow! Amazing!
Put the roof lights back on.
Good
Repair
job.
complete.
I like it. Transformation!
Crane truck installs a brand new
Yeah.
street lamp.
It's my time! Come here! Okay,
Dump truck loads
Let's
the
go.
fruit again and sets off. It delivers the fruit to the store safely. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.